Today we'll go over a very easy CSS hack that will let you define the size of elements and not have it be affected by border and padding values. Here is the code. Here's what the code does. The first line of CSS applies box sizing to be border box. The second line applies it across the entire website by having all the following elements inherit the border box value while giving you the freedom to override it if you want to for a specific element. So what does border box do exactly? Whatever dimensions you set for an element are not affected by padding and border values. Here is a comparison between content box and border box. As you can see here, both boxes are 100 pixels by 100 pixels with a border of 10 pixels and a padding of 25. However, the content box's actual size is 170 by 170 pixels due to the padding and border, while the border box's actual size still remains 100 pixels by 100. As you can see, the padding and border values do not adjust the dimensions of a border box. This is very handy when you want to define dimensions exactly and not have them be affected. It makes adjusting the layout of your site much more straightforward. If you'd like more information, I will link an excellent article by Paul Irish if you want to learn more about the border box, as well as the MDN page. Hope that helps. Leave a comment down below with your favorite CSS hacks. Hope you guys are staying safe and sane out there, and I'll catch you guys next time.